Hello guys, so do you want to write an article for your business or for your blogging website? You are on the right video. So I will show you how you can use this website, which is called Wordhero, to write this article. So let me show you around Wordhero. Let me open the website now. So as you can see guys, this is the website which is called Wordhero, and all you just have to do is to look through the website. They have the business part where you find tools that you can use for businesses. They have the marketing tools, and they have the social media tools where you'll be able to write like scripts for your videos and other things like description and post on Instagram and other places. Like on this part where it say writing tools, on this part you'll find a lot of tools that you can use, like a content writing, bullet points. So you find a lot of tools here. If I click on this part here, you'll still find other things that you can do. Like if you want to write a cover letter, you want to like greeting message, all these kind of things that you don't know how to do, this website will do it. Like a food recipes, you just need to click. Let's also want to write food recipes, or we just click here and write a very short brief description about the food recipe that you want to write about. Immediately you click on write for me, it will do all the whole work for you, Then if we go back here again, let's also want to use this tool. How can we use it? Let's also want to write a blog. First, what you need on your blog is intro. So when I click on blog intro, description of what you want to write about, and the keyword, the tones, how you want to sound, like a human being or a robot. So once you are done with that, click on write for me. It will generate the article for you, just like you are seeing here. That is how it works, guys. It's very, very simple as that. And let us say you have the intro, then you need to move to the outlines, which is what you want to write about. Click on this part where you say outlines, and here you are going to type in what you want to write about. You click on write for me. Immediately it will start writing an outline for you that you want to go and use to write about a particular article. So this is the outline that you have given us, and all you just need to do is to copy the outline, and you can go and start using the outline to write out that blog for you. So then let us say you want to write a paragraph for that particular outlines or the blogs you want to write about. So the next thing, you need to click on this part where it said blog. Once you click on blog here, it's going to show this out, a short description, the keyword you want to rank for, and you enter the tones, how you want to sound, and you click on write. Immediately it will write out the blog paragraph for you. So there's a lot of things that you can do on this website. Let us say blog heading, which is the heading of your blog. If you want to do that, enter the topics of what you want to write about. It will give you the heading of your blog, which is the H1 of that your blog that you want to write about. A lot of tools that you can find here. So if you scroll down here, if you want to write a book title, you can come here and do all these things: book description, bullet points, content writer, a lot of things, cover letter, a lot of tools that you will find on this SEO tools. Let us say you want to run an ad on like Facebook. You can come here, click on this part, and it will open up, and you just explain how you want your ad to look, and this tool is going to generate a very brief, simple description about that particular ad you want to write. Do you want to send out an email? You can click on it, and here you are going to type in what you want, how you want that your email to look, and it will generate out the email for you. And if let us say you want to do like a FA, frequently asked question, you need to click on this part, type in the word, and it's going to do everything for you. Generic email, you can click on generic email, it's going to do that for you. You want to do grammar corrector, you can do that here. You want to write out an ad on that your Google ad you want to generate, or you want to campaign you want to create on that your Google ad, you can do it here. And you can do a lot of things with this tool, and you can do a lot of things if you want marketing ideas, offers, lead, rooms, a lot of things that you can do here. Even Quora. Let us say you have a Quora account, you want to be answering questions on Quora. You can do everything from this website. You just need to enter here and click on it, and you enter the question that they ask you on Quora, and you just need to go and post it. You want to be posting and listing things that concern real estate. If you want to write a video description for your YouTube channel, you can do it. Video ideas, you can do it. Video title, you can do it. Welcome emails, you can do it. So a lot of things that you can do on this particular website. If you want to write about us on your website, this tool can do everything for you. So all you just need to do is to give this tool a brief description about what you want to write about. They will do everything for you. You don't know how to write a tweet, they can do it for you. You don't know how to write a video script, they can do it for you. Wordhero. So all you just have to do is to go and try this Wordhero website out. I know you'll be saying, but Godspower, you are using this tool because you are using the paid one. So how can I get this tool? How can I get this tool in affordable amount? So you can get this tool in affordable amount on AppSumo. So if you click the link in the description, it will take you to AppSumo where you are going to get this tool, and you can use it to do anything you want. Anything you imagine, these two have you covered. So they even have the editors page where you'll be able to use the editors page and customize your articles, make it to look exactly what you want it to look. So if you want to write an articles, you can come here, set in the title, and you start writing the content that you want to write. These two have everything for you. They have you covered. So I will say that is everything I need to talk about on this video. And another thing I want you to know is that if you come to this website, which is called AppSumo, you can see that you can get this tool for an affordable amount for just $89 for lifetime access. You can see lifetime deals. So you can have access to this tool by just paying only $89 on this tool, which is called Wordhero. So to get it, the link will be in the description below. So use the link in the description to join this website, which is called Wordhero, and start writing article on that your blogging website. So that is everything I want to talk about. But before you end this video, all I want you to do for me is to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, if you want a tool that will help you to rewrite articles for 100% free, you can use this website, which is called Usafe SEO Tools. The link will still be in the description below. You can do a lot of things. If you want to rewrite articles, you want to check if your content have been already existing on Google, which is plagiarism. If you want to do your mental tag analyzer, keyword position checker, backlink checker, word counter, where you'll be able to count a word. Let us say you write an articles and you want to see the amount of the article, just click on word counter and it's going to open up. What you have to do is to paste in. Let us say you paste in your articles here, just paste in. Let us say I have an article, I've pasted the article here. I just need to scroll down here and click on count. So once I click on count, it's going to show us the amount of word that we have. Total word is 152 word, and the characters is 911 characters. So that is how these two work. Is 100% free, and you can use it to do whatsoever you want. So that is everything I want to talk about on this video, guys. Like I usually say, I will say you should like, share this video, let your friend know about this free SEO tools that I just talked about. So go and use this tool right now, which is called Wordhero, and go and use this tool, which is called Usafe SEO tool. The links of Wordhero tool will be in the description below. Thank you, and see you on my next upcoming video.